Namaskar. Uh, these have been very taxing time for a lot of people, and what I have seen in the last few weeks, this is something I cannot forget in my entire life. The reason being, I have seen families lose their core members, their breath. They were choked down, and they were not able to breathe. And that sight was very, traumatizing, depressing. And what, as an individual, we could have done and what we did, that was again questionable, because this time we wanted everyone to come along and at least be there with the families. I've seen sons who could not attend the funeral of their father, mothers who just wanted to see one sight of their deceased son, families getting shattered. These are not just Excel numbers, the numbers that we talk about. These are real families with real emotions, real dreams, real hopes. Everything got shattered, guys. And what we are doing right now is again questionable. So we won't stop. We won't give up. We have never given up in the past. We have always believed that we can add values in the society. Initially, it was through education, and right now, healthcare is struggling. And we need to provide those oxygen. We need to provide those basic prerequisites that a human being deserves. We have been giving so many taxes. We have been, there with the nation throughout, and it is the time where we are seeking help, guys. Severe health is required, and it breaks me, it shatters me even while I'm speaking, because everything flashes back. The visualization that I'm getting right now, this is the reason I came out from the city alone, because I was not even able to speak. How do you express this? What do you tell? How do you tell this to your team members, your relatives, where you are the one who should feel strong, right? You should be the one who should be the guiding light, but you're also a human being, and then you realize this is now or never. If right now we can do something, we have to, we should rest. There's a campaign which is started. We are aiming to deliver free oxygen, medicine supplies, and whatever we can through network, through you people, all those who have been there in the tough times, in the thick and thins. Let's come together, guys, and let's make it huge. These families deserve proper health care, and right now you are the medium who can do that. We are the medium who can do that. Let them not feel alone. We all are together. Happiness will come, prosperity will come. We'll be more evolved human beings with better health, better sanitization, proper regime, everything, because we have learned a lot of things. We'll discuss about it later on, but right now the important factor is you guys to come along and join in the hands. Let's help people, and let's make it huge. Plasma donors, wherever you are, come forward, man. WHO ने बोल दिया है सेफ है. ब्लड के 3 हिस्सों में से बस एक हिस्सा आपका लिया जा रहा है, जो कि एक बहुत छोटा सा प्रोसेस है, जिसकी वजह से वो फैमिली की शायद हैप्पीनेस वापस आ जाए. वेंटिलेटर्स आप दिला सकते हैं, दिलवाइए. बेड्स आप दिला सकते हैं, दिलवाइए. वो जो असहाय महसूस कर रहे हैं अभी, जिनको हेल्प नहीं है, उनको हेल्प दीजिए. लेट्स डू इट, एंड प्लीज़ कम फॉरवर्ड.